Hello everyone, Wolfie here, but you can just call me Wolfie. And in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use rotation constraints. Now, I'm not going to go through the full process because I'm pretty sure after I show you this, you'll get the full gist of it. I mean, it doesn't take rocket science to figure out the rest after what I'm about to show you. And I don't feel like going through all of that for this entire video. Also, I've just woke up, so sorry, I might be a little slow this morning. But anyways, it is morning for me. Anyways, let's get started. You want to make sure you have your model in there, obviously. You also want to make sure that you have your other model here as well. Now, this can either be separate, it could be a separate thing, or it could be attached to the model in general, right after you drag it out of Blender. But for me, I have both the models separate, and I've just got done dragging the model into, well, into my other armature. So now that you have both here, I'm going to go here towards what I named it to be samurai arms. This works for anything. It could be used for anything you want, like robotic arms or, I don't know, tentacles, anything really. Anything you come up with. So anyways, so here, I'm going to click this. It's going to have a weird name. I know. I'm going to move the arrows. Be like, oh, okay, so it's connected to the whole thing. I'm going to Control Z so I can get that right back into action. And like, since that's a part of the right arm, I'm going to add a component. I'm going to go to VRC rotation constraint, and then I'm going to add a new source. And then what I'm going to do is look for my right arm, and I'm going to drag it up in there, and then I'm going to push activate. And what this is going to do is it's going to connect this right arm to my right arm here. You don't want to do it the other way. You want to make sure that you do this part first and not this part first. Otherwise, if you do it the opposite way, it's not going to look right. You want to make sure that you grab the weird name here and then drag the right arm over. Next, I'll show you what I mean. So if I go to Gesture Manager, I click Interplay Mode. And then I go over here to Scene. Boom. As you can see, the arm is hanging down now. It's following this. But this arm isn't. Why is that? Because I need to do the same thing to this arm. So now that I've gotten this settled, I need to make sure that this arm is also connected towards this arm. So I'm going to push this button here. I'm going to go over towards the next weird name, which is the left arm. I'm going to add a VRC rotation constraint. I'm going to push source. And then I'm going to go towards the left arm this time. I'm going to go here. I'm going to push activate. And then I'm going to click my Gesture Manager again. Interplay mode. Both arms are here. And it's connected to the arms. And when you move it around, this arm is specific. I would move it around, but I can't really show that. Okay. Well, the point is, when you move your arm around, it will follow. And for the fingers and all of that down there, it's pretty much the same process. I think you understand from here. I'm not going any further than this. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vid. We'll fare out.